How's it going, everyone? Welcome. Thank you for listening. Today we have our construction calculator tool that we have been developing for the past 2 semesters. As stated previously, this tool is intended for those who have limited to no knowledge on what it takes to actually make a deck, and how they don't know what materials are needed and how much they're going to cost. So we're kind of making this tool now to incorporate all of those components together. For the prototype and for the demo purpose, this website is currently locally hosted, but we have future plans for the website and plan on making it live to actually allow our end users to take a look at it and use our tool. So without further ado, we'll just get started. This is the first screen that the user is prompted. So we're going to head on over to Home. We're going to have our first set of selections. So here is our welcome screen, and where we really start actually making the deck. So first, we're going to be asked if it's a square or an L-shaped deck that we're looking to make. For the demo purposes, we're just going to have one of our scenarios that we anticipate some of our end users to actually go through with. So we're going to choose a square deck here. We're next going to be prompted on whether we want a vertical or horizontal square deck. And I just want to note now that one of our advantageous traits that we have for our website is each of the pages are going to have some of these pictures that we've been working on that really give the user an idea on sort of what they're looking for their deck. So we're going to head on down here and choose horizontal. And next, we're asked if we want a wood or composite deck. So we're going to go ahead and choose wood for this one. So finally, we're asking the user to input the dimensions that they plan on making their deck. So for the purposes of the demo, we're going to have a 22.5 by 22.5 by 4. And again, for this input screen, we have this kind of picture that we have this for a square as well as the L-shaped deck, that just, again, helping the user figure out what they need to input for their deck. So we're going to click here and we're going to calculate what we're going to need for our deck now. And for our output screen, we have our first kind of final picture that shows the user kind of what they've been imagining this whole time and puts it to paper. So this is what they're going to expect if they continue this process. So we also have a breakdown of each material, as well as how many pieces they'll need, the unit cost, and the total cost per section. So if we scroll down here, we'll actually see the total cost it's going to take to build this deck, which is absolutely critical for our website, especially for our inexperienced users, because it's going to save them a lot of money down the road on maybe buying the wrong parts or waste of material or whatever it may be. But we also know that this may be a little bit overwhelming, so we actually made this info page that kind of breaks down what each type of material is, where it can be located on your deck with this picture, and then again the breakdown of the materials, what they are, the definitions, really trying to help the user understand what they're getting into. So again, if that isn't enough, they're still a little confused, we have this nice About Us page that just gives our mission statement out there, what we're looking to do, and provides them with a contact email. So they can reach out to us, ask their questions, and then we can respond back to give their feedback as soon as possible and really answer those questions to help them make their deck. So this is our tool. This is what we've been working on, and we think that we did a great job so far, so we hope you enjoy.